Hi, my name is Shibani and I am the founder of the Yes to Life Meditation Studio in Aund, Pune. Today, I want to talk about the biggest, most important change that meditation has brought into my life. Meditation has saved me from something that I consider to be the biggest killer of all joy in our lives today. Meditation has saved me from the habit of overthinking. This ability to think, to plan ahead, to plan for all what if scenarios, or to go back in the past and learn from our mistakes. These are great, fantastic gifts of the human mind. It is these abilities because of which we have made so much progress. But the problem arises when these abilities do not remain as abilities that can be used as and when needed, but when they actually become a part of who you are. When you are always in the thinking mode, you are either planning for the future or you are analyzing the past. Whatever you are doing, you are away from the present moment. And all life happens in the present moment. Thinking about the future or the past will always bring anxiety or hyper excitement or a sense of nostalgia or regret. Basically, a sense that something is missing from life right now. Only the present moment has the capability to bring you joy, wonder, and deep fulfillment. And meditation helps us stay in the present moment. Actually, that is all meditation is about. It is a constant reminder to be present to whatever is happening right here, right now. As you progress in your meditation practice, as your meditation practice starts becoming regular, it starts spilling over into your everyday life. And you start seeing how much of your time you spend either in the future or in the past. You start realizing how unreal your fears are, how there is like no chance of them coming true at any time. And you start being in the present moment more and more. More you stay in the present moment, more you realize what this hype around being in the present moment is about. Being in the present moment helps you to breathe fully, to engage with everyone around you, to engage with everything around you at a much deeper level. And you become much more involved in your own life. This simple act of being much more involved with your own life, suddenly that same life with the exact same problems, the same job, the same house, the same spouse, the same people around you, the exact same life becomes much richer. You start getting a different kind of a sweet satisfaction from this life, and you find that you are no longer running away from it by thinking about the future or the past. There are many other benefits to meditation, such as it improves sleep, it improves anxiety, stress, and other health related conditions. Actually, you can Google the benefits of meditation and you can get a full list. At the Yes to Life Studio, we want to reach out to those people who have everything and yet they feel disturbed, unhappy, or disinterested in life. Instead of lecturing these people, instead of asking them to reduce their complaints, we teach them techniques that help to automatically bring in a sense of peace and wonder in their lives. And when they are ready to learn more, we also have programs that give out knowledge, practical, useful knowledge and tips that help them to advance in their journey of life. So do read the information that is given on this website and please go over all the programs that we have. And if you need any information, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me via phone, email, via WhatsApp, whatever is convenient for you. Feel free to get in touch with me. Thank you.